Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a Baby Yoda Among Us skin. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Now, to start off with our Baby Yoda Among Us skin, we're going to start right here. And I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve around. It's going to come down and then come back to here. Next, we're going to make a little line that just goes down like this. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line. It's going to come down, and then I just want to go over to here, and then I'm going to come right back up. Now, just following the curve of the little face shield, I'm going to make a line that just goes right to here. And that'll be kind of like the shirt collar. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line. It's going to go up, and it's going to come down and stop right about there. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out. It's going to come up. Then I'm just going to bring it all the way down to here. Right inside of here, we're going to make a little line that goes up and then bring it all the way back down to here. Now on this side, we want to do the same thing. We're going to draw a line that just goes out. It's going to come to a little bit of a point, and we'll just come right back here. I'll do the same thing. I'm just going to draw a line that goes up, and then it just comes right back to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down. I'm going to come over, and I'm going to go right up to here. Right down here, I'll make a little line that goes down, over and up, and we'll do the same thing here, down, over, and then up for the feet. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down to here. Now, starting here, we're just going to draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to curve over like this. And there you go. There is your drawing of your Baby Yoda Among Us skin. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.